Hello students, now I am going to take up problems of exercise 3.5 which you have given me. Second question, both parts I am taking out. Few of you have given me those two parts as problem. Now these are the set of two equations you are given and you have to find the value of A and B for infinite solutions. He said you have to find out A and B, value of A and B for infinite solutions. Either the given equations become such equations that they have infinite solutions. Now, first of all, for infinite solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So now let's pick A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 from the given equations. So what is A1? 2. A2 is A minus B. Leaving X and Y. Now B1, 3, B2, A plus B, C1, 7 and C2 is this complete CA plus B minus 2. According to question, these three are equal because infinite solutions. Now for solving it further, what you have to do better? First of all, take these two as I have taken. Then take these two as I have taken. Compare them on putting equal, since they are equal. So this is equal. Cross multiplying. We solve it. You can pause the video and later on you can check the calculations on cross multiplying. I have got this. 3a minus 3b, when this is multiplied here, 2 into this a, 2a plus 2b, taking all terms to that side, I got this, and finally I bring this to this and this is equal to 0. Similarly, cross multiplying these two, we got this. Finally solving these, this is the second equation. You even can compare this with this also, but this is simple. Compare this is equal to this, then this is equal to this. Now these are the two equations with you. Now further I have solved them. These two equations. Now here you can take two common also I have taken. So the second equation becomes this. Now solving this first and second equation, I have solved it here by using elimination method. So I got the value of A as 5 and B as 1. You can easily check the calculations by pausing the video. Now second set of equations. Here you are given, you have to find the value of K such that the given equations become no solution equations. So for that, for no solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So now pick the equations, pick from the equations, pick values of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 I have picked and put them in the condition of no solution. Now in few questions, they have solved only this thing. So you can solve it. This is equal to this. I have taken them, cross multiplying, solving it. I got K is equal to 2. You can again check the calculations by pausing the video. So in some books even you can see that they have given the value of not equal to K also. That is, what should K not equal to? So if we compare these two, we put E not equal. Again same method, cross multiplying and solving. So K is equal to 2 and K is not equal to minus 2. It can be given in answers in your NCERT book or cannot be. So both these you have to do. This way you have to do. So now come to fourth part of fourth question. This is very much important question also given me as a problem also. First of all, I am reading the question. He said places A and B are 100 km apart. I have shown you here. These are two places 100 km apart. He said one car starts from A, another from B at the same time. So at the same time they are starting from these two places. And same time, if the car travels at in the same direction at different speeds, they are moving in the same direction and they are meeting at in 5 hours. So let's discuss this case first of all. Let the speed of first car be x kilometer per hour and speed of another car be y kilometer per hour, because finally you have to find out the speed of the car. So we have suppose them as x kilometer per hour, y is the speed of another car, that is y kilometer per hour. Now first case, cars moving in same direction. So let one car start from A on this direction, another car starts from B from in the same direction. They are again both are moving in this direction. Now let this be the meeting point. After how many hours they are meeting? They are meeting after 5 hours. It means what better? Both cars meet each other after 5 hours implies both cars move for 5 hours. Now distance is what? Formula is distance is equal to speed into time. First car according to you covers how much distance? Its speed x, time it moves for 5 hours, 5x. Similarly second car covers distance 5y. Now can you see A से स्टार्ट होने वाली कार भी यहाँ मीट करी और B से स्टार्ट होने वाली यहाँ आई और B वाली भी यहाँ. तो बेटा A वाली ने कितना एक्स्ट्रा डिस्टेंस कवर करा होगा? पहले ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँची, 100 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा डिस्टेंस कवर करा, फिर यहाँ, और B तो यहीं से यहीं पहुँची. इट मीन्स क्या हुआ कि जो A का डिस्टेंस है वो ज़्यादा है और B का डिस्टेंस कम है, तो A minus B's distance is 100. So from here I have taken 5 common, so this equation is reduced to this one. Now move on to second part. Second case, he said this time cars moving in opposite direction and they meet each other in 1 hour. It means car starts from A, B, meet at this point. And this again total is 100 kilometer. Now first car covers how much distance? 1 hour it moves and x is its speed. So x. Second car same way, y distance it will cover. So now together this time they have covered distance x plus y is equal to, दोनों distance मिला दो तो कितना होगा 100. So it means 1 and 2 if you solve by simply this elimination method, if you solve 1 and 2 equation, you get easily x is equal to 60 km per hour, y is equal to 40 km per hour. It means speed of first car is 60 km per hour, second car is 40 km per hour. So that's all. If any other problem, give me also that. So have a nice day and complete your exercise 3.5 and even chapter up to 3.5 till Monday. Have a nice day.